Kenny, 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 welcome.
Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Genecia here, and today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily install this cute fall wig. So this wig is from Seeyar or Seeyar, hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, but this is the highlight wig ombre style. This is a 13 by 4 lace front wig. Super cute. I feel like this is like the perfect color for fall. I'm still adjusting to it because I just been like black with like my curly hair. So yeah, this is like a huge adjustment to like my everyday style. But leave a comment down below how you guys are loving it, and if you guys want to keep on watching to see how I install this, it's really quick and easy. So all the links will be listed down below if you guys want to check out Seeyar and all their other wig options that they have on the website. They have so many to choose from, so easy hairstyles, especially like mom friendly. Like, hello, I'm a mom here, I need something quick and easy to put on, which this absolutely was. So if you guys want to see how I apply this wig, then just keep on watching. So this beautiful vibrant wig is a highlight wig lace front wig ombre, and this is a T-part, which means it is a 13 by 4 lace front wig. As you guys can see, it comes with 3 combs and an adjustable strap in the back, and this fit me very snug, by the way, like super snug. The hair is bouncy and it's 30 inches long. So you see me pulling the hairline back and you see that parting. I'm going to cut that off. I'm cutting the hair that I'm pulling and the lace off. Very easy. I didn't have time to pluck, and I want to show you guys how minimal and low maintenance this wig is. Okay, you don't have to do much. See, I cut it off. I didn't do any plucking. I didn't do any of that. It blends seamlessly with my scalp. So if you guys want to stop here and just go for low maintenance, look, it's super cute. I don't even need to do anything. It's already styled. So for my girlies that want to take it a step further, I am going to be selecting the baby hairs that frames my face, and I'm just going to be twisting that away so when I do glue it down, the baby hairs is not getting in the way of the gluing down process. Now I'm going to be grabbing my alcohol and a few cotton swabs. So I'm going to be dipping that in and cleaning my forehead. Just clean all the dirt off, all the makeup off, because this allows the adhesive to stick and stay longer. Your install will last longer if you clean your hairline. This is an absolute must if you want your install to last. Now I'm going to be using my Ghost Blonde adhesive wig glue, and don't do what I just did. You don't need that much glue. Trust me, girl. A little goes a long way. So I'm just applying the glue, and you're going to allow the glue to dry clear. Then you can add the lace and press it down and melt it down. So I'm just adding a little bit along my hairline. Again, you don't need that much. You're just gonna press it down. And I already started my baby hairs, so I'm just gonna be gluing that down. We're not gluing it down, I'm just gonna be gelling that down with some gel, any gel of your choice, nothing fancy. And I'm going to be scooping that away. Look how cute that is. It's just so easy. I need my Gemsters to leave a comment down below if this is so far easy to follow along, because this is just step by step, super easy, beginner friendly, mom friendly, on the go, literally under 10-minute install. Trust me. So here is what it looks like, and now you're just gonna grab your elastic band, and this is when your wig is going to melt seamlessly to your skin. It's just gonna look like it's a part of your scalp, girl. And here is the final reveal. Like, look at it. And I went a step further and did another style for you guys, and this one is like, I feel like it's more like boss babe, soft glam life, you know, feminine, very feminine energy, feminine style. I love it. I'm back with my makeup done and my hair done. I opt out the baby hairs and I just cut this and just framed my face, and that's it. Basically, I just tucked this behind my ear and I didn't do anything. The hair came already curled, so I didn't really have to do much to style, and it was pretty quick and easy, might I say. Like, I absolutely love this hair. So yeah, what's the verdict? What is your thoughts? I would love to hear your opinions in the comment box down below. Again, check out the description box if you guys want to check out Seeyar for all their wig options and hair options that they have available on their website. They have so many to choose from, variety of hairstyles, colors, lengths, the whole 9 yards. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, easy wig installation from Seeyar, and I hope it was easy for you guys to follow along at home. And yeah, hope you guys could, you know, take a thing or two from this video and let me know if you applied any of, you know, I dropped some gems for you guys, you know, my little hacks. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.